Hi everyone, welcome to the video. Today we installed a Meta Autoblok Immobiliser on this 2019 Kia Niro, and it works through this security tag here. You get two with your installation, and unless you press the button on the tag, you're not going to be able to start the hybrid system. So I'm going to get the key, unlock the vehicle, attempt to start, and you can see it's not ready to drive. All you need to do is press the button on the tag. As soon as you press the button on the tag, you've deactivated the immobiliser, and now when you turn the key, you can see EV mode's ready, the engine's on, and you can drive. Once you switch it off and you lock the vehicle, after 60 seconds the immobiliser activates, and again you will need to press the button on the tag in order to be able to drive. It's a very simple and straightforward immobiliser to use, works very well on this generation of Kia and Hyundai vehicles. We can also connect up the horn, so when the immobiliser is protecting the vehicle, the horn also starts to honk, causing an audible deterrent. If you're interested in getting one installed or you need a bit more information, give us a call on 0330 133 1518.